Want to request access to manage a Hostinger account? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Account Sharing. On the Account Sharing page, you'll find the option to request access. Click on Request Access to continue. Now, on the next page, fill in the section labeled Who do you request access from by entering the email address of the account owner. Set the permission rules according to the access level you need. Make sure to check the box that says Add the new account to Hostinger, and then click the Send Request button. After that, the request will appear under the Account Sharing tab. The account owner will receive an email. Ask them to open it and approve your request. That's it. You've successfully requested access to manage a Hostinger account. And for a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.